Alright, here is what I thought was going to have to be an orifice at a particular size and whatnot, but it doesn't have to be. That is a nipple, a brass cap on a 1/4 inch nipple running through this and into here, and then this will all connect to a rigmarole of needle valve and regulator and gauge and whatnot, and then to a quick connect. So, but this is the main gas flow, and yes, I use the yellow tape to see what happens. Biggest question I have now is, since I put that nipple through the back side of this reducer, I've only got that many threads left. Is that going to become an issue? So I might have to end up using some kind of liquid Loctite or something on that. Not sure. But from there, that's going to go into this. But I'm actually adding a Venturi, which I got a short video on how I made this. It's a little auger that I cut down, and it's just basically because I want to. I know it doesn't matter. I just made this little doohickey here so that I could center it in the middle at the point. You see, it has a point somewhat, and so does the marker. Has a little indentation in the middle, so that point will sit in the indentation, and one of my friends is gonna help me weld it. And then that's gonna run into here, so that, like so. That's going to be from the air, and then the air will mix with the gas, force the gas to spin it up and mix it into a 90. Of course, I'm going to weld that bottom flange shut so it can't go anywhere. Up through here, possibly take another 90 because I'm using that red tank over there. But I'm definitely going to also put a stainless steel strainer in there. And then that's going to be it. Look forward to trying it. All I need really is a needle valve and the hose. See ya. Oh well. There she blows. With, of course, a blow dryer instead of a blower. I got the air gate valve. I'm probably going to have to run that all the way out. We'll see. Just be nice to have a better flow control. Running about 2 pounds of pressure, I think, in the needle valve. The needle valve was the only thing leaking, the only thing blowing bubbles. I had to tighten it down and then tighten that little bolt, little screw there into the packing, I guess. But I got a separate nipple that runs all the way through here to about there, and it's got a cap on it and a little pinhole. I didn't bother with how big it was because I have the needle valve adjustment, and then the air comes behind it, blowing it through here. In here is where I've got the auger bit. The 3-turning auger bit. My brother brazed that on for me, and we clogged this up down here, welded this shut. So air is forced up here. So, getting ready for the maiden voyage. Once that light shuts off, get ready for the maiden voyage and see what happens. I'm pretty excited. Okay. Wow. Got nothing. Well, shoot. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this. Got that going? I'll put that, well, I'll put it on the floor for now. And crack it down to about 2. Hold on. It's alive! Alright, let me see. Pretty good flame. Golly, it's hot. Woo! That's cool. I'm still gonna put some holes in this and put it on there. Wow, super cool. So about 5 pounds of pressure was best. Off. Purge. 0, 0, 0. Back to off. That was a cool looking flame. Time to rewatch. Thanks. See ya.